Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with the H9 Max Smartwatch, and this is the second video unboxing review of the H9 Max Smartwatch. On this video, we are going to explore the different menus and features of the H9 Max Smartwatch. On this video, we are going to learn the different features, especially on its health, sports, and other utilities. So if you are interested to see the loaded features or the loaded menu to the H9 Max Smartwatch, watch this video. And again, support our channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing to our Smartwatch Specifications YouTube channel. Okay, so let's begin and explore the different menus and features of our H9 Max Smartwatch. So we have here, okay, the preloaded watch faces. For the UI, so it's the typical layout. Notifications on the bottom part. We have the different menus and features here. On the left side, okay, grid type with the common applications, and we do have here the widgets. Okay, I don't know how can you access the settings here directly or some of the options for the wearable. Let's see. If I press this one, it shows the menus. Okay, so seems like there's no option for that. Okay, remember where you can access the brightness, the settings, the flashlight. Okay, so there's no option for this H9 Max Smartwatch. I guess you really have to go to the main menu to access that. Talking about the main menu, we do have the bubble type here. Let's see if we can adjust this. Is this the main menu? No, it's a QR code. So let's look for the different options or the options for the different layout. Okay, so we have here 6, style number 2, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, the same with other smartwatches. Okay, to access the main menu, just press the rotary button or the power button. You can also use this to navigate. So here are the loaded features. We have sports functions. We have the sleep monitoring, pedometer, you have a heart rate, the blood pressure, the blood oxygen monitoring, we have message notifications, we have the dial, that is for the Bluetooth call. Okay, it includes call logs, contacts, and phone. Okay, we have the Bluetooth music, weather report, calculator, alarm, sedentary reminder, stopwatch, remote photo control. We also have here a voice assistant, find phone, car race, settings. We have the flashlight here for the torch, calendar, contacts. I guess it is redundant. As you can see here, we do have the contacts on the main menu, and we also have it here, if my mind serves me correctly, we have the contacts here also in the dial section. But I guess they are just the same feature or function. They have the same function. Okay, we have Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp. So these are just support for notifications, and it's not the main app. Okay, we have drink water reminder, reboot, shutdown, language support. So here are the different language supported. Okay, so there's a lot of options here. Okay, go back. Okay, English. Guess you have to press this. Okay, QR code. Okay, it is using the HRY Find application. We have the app view. Okay, we already accessed this earlier. It has at least 6 press this one. You cannot use this wipe. It's not working. You have to press the power button to go back to the main menu. Then display and brightness, bedside lamp mode, Bluetooth, restore factory, and the about section. As you can see here, we do have the H9 Max. Okay, so these are the different menus and features of the H9 Max Smartwatch. Okay, it is the usual UI that we have already seen. We already seen this type of UI or layout in other smartwatches using HRY Fine application, or the Fit Pro also. We have the sports here. How many sports do we have? We have walk, run, ride, climbing, treadmill, basketball, football, badminton, jump rope, and that's it. So limited sports function. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, at least 9 sports function. But based on the design here, I think it's okay. Because this wearable is just around $5 to $6, or if you got the promo, okay, or the coupon code, it is just less than $6, I think. Okay, so that's it for the offered menus and features of the H9 Max Smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding this wearable, if you are interested to get this one and you want to know more about this smartwatch first, drop a comment below. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye!